the mic on?
Yeah.
Gotta make sure your wires are plugged in. Those pesky things always get unplugged on me. Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. You ever wondering, oh my god, there's something wrong with my computer? Let me teach you how to fix it. First thing you gotta know on how to fix your computer is you need the right tools. You need a flashlight, you need a screwdriver, and you need a whistle. Now the first thing you need to do is, oh my gosh, there's a problem. Sometimes the whistle doesn't work properly. There's a problem with my TV. It's got a big hole in it from I don't know how. The first thing you need to know how to do is to fix your monitor is you need to look at your Xbox. My Xbox is a 360 version. It's got all the components inside that you need for a specific Xbox. What you're going to need to have to do is basically you just need to take the screen off. This is the first part of fixing an Xbox. There's going to be a white component here. This white component helps protect your screen. Once the screen is protected, all you need to do is quickly assess the situation. That was the first situation. It looks like my TV is still broken. Let's take a closer look. Making a second hole will help. Making a third hole will help. Making a fourth hole will help. Making a fifth hole will help. Making a sixth hole will help. Making a seventh hole will help. Making an eighth hole will help. Making a ninth hole will help. Making a 10th hole will help. As you can see, it's very warm. And my TV's still broken. So now it's time for me to go in with my plumbus. There's an extraction wound here. It's quite hot. And now just one last step to success. That should do it, folks. It's cooking popcorn. That's about all we could do for this TV. That's about all.